We knew it was going to be tough. I think the last few times we've been here we struggled actually, so it was important that we put our foot down early on. I think we've done that. We kept the ball really well for the first 10-15 minutes and it kind of stopped there. They like to come out fast, so I think they stopped that and then we could build into the game. And then I think we controlled them after the early goal and then coming out into half-time.
They got the early goal and then they were resolute then. We had some really good opportunities in terms of good positions. Got around the side of them. It was just the final ball, or it just wouldn't drop for us tonight. It was one of those games where, we could probably still be out there and we still wouldn't have scored. It just felt like that, and they defended incredibly well. So, yeah, we dust ourselves off and we focus now on Saturday.
What do you think you did well this evening?
Well, look, we started the game really positively. We kept the ball for 20-25 minutes and got our goal when we were on top, to be fair. And then, as expected, Barri got on top of the ball and controlled the game in terms of, having the ball without really hurting us. So we were really pleased in terms of how we defended in our structure.
Oh, it's huge because although results haven't been going as well as we'd like recently, we're still stuck together. But I think most importantly, defensively, we were strong tonight. That's 2 clean sheets in a row now where we've kind of nullified set pieces, which were a problem for us. And then now we always know we'll score goals. So I think if we keep clean sheets, we'll be good.
Yeah, you've had a good home record until recently. How important is it to try and bounce back again in front of your own fans on Saturday against Carnarvon?
Yeah, 100%. And we talked about that after TNS on Saturday. We wanted to bounce back, and we're a team that does. But obviously, it didn't happen tonight. And that's all credit to Britain Ferry in terms of what they did on the game plan, and they executed it, really well. It was probably a perfect away performance. Score early and then defend. So we'll bounce back, I got no doubt. They're a great bunch of lads, they're really honest, and we come back in Thursday and we go again and prepare for Carnarvon.
It brings a long winless run to an end. How much of a boost is that to you in the dressing room?
Well, you told me last week we were 7 games without the win, but as we said, it's always about the performances, and the boys have been doing really well. So of course it's a boost because it was a needed 3 points, and it gets us back going again. But as long as the performances are there and the boys are doing everything they can, which is what they've done again tonight, we can't complain.